Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about cereal crops, specifically the technology of foliar feeding for them. If the soil lacks nutrients, it limits their growth and yield, even if other growing conditions are ideal. The use of fertilizers for foliar feeding can significantly affect yields and make inefficient soil suitable for cultivation. Let's take a look at the cultivation technology map with the use of foliar feeding. On the chart, we see three main growth and development phases of the crop. The nitrogen consumption index in cereals is high. It is one of the macronutrients needed in the largest quantities to form a large amount of main and side products. In the growth and development phase, namely tillering BBCH 21-29, at the beginning of the period, the formation of productive stems occurs, and at the end of the phase, the rudiments of the ear. Therefore, foliar feeding with macro and micro elements that regulate their growth, specifically during this period, stimulate the development of vegetative mass and root system using Wonderleaf grass, increases the tillering coefficient using Wonderleaf wagon fruit, and neutralizes the effects of weather conditions and herbicide stress using Wonderleaf amino 43. In the BBCH 31-39 phase, the emergence of the tube or elongation of the stem of cereals, the intensive consumption of nutrients begins. In this phase, plants consume the most macronutrient nitrogen and to a lesser extent phosphorus and potassium. The most necessary micronutrient is zinc, because there is intensive growth, and that's why the products Wonderleaf grass and Wonderleaf monozinc 8 are indicated in the scheme. The appearance of inflorescences, budding, phase BBCH 51-59. At this stage of plant growth, it is especially important to apply a complex of macro elements with a load on potassium, boron and amino acids. That is why in this scheme we indicated the products Wonderleaf blossom, Wonderleaf monoboron 11 and Wonderleaf amino 43. Elements promote the activation of budding. A well-developed flower will allow to increase the process of pollination and fertilization, the formation of the ovary of future seeds. Inadequate availability of any nutrients will limit growth and development, especially productive leaf area, and reduce yields. Good harvest and see you!